Hey guys, good morning. Let me show you how to start your project using a magic ring. I am going to use number 4 yarn and size G hook, but you can apply any number of yarn, any number of hook into this stitch. Okay, the most important one is the magic ring. That's the one that I'm going to show you. Okay, and into the ring I am going to use 10 double crochet as my example. So now let's begin. To make a magic ring, wrap around yarn on your finger twice, 1, 2, and remove the ring. And I am going to make 10 double crochet into the ring. Okay, now I have my 10 double crochet, and let me show you. This is the tail. Okay, and we have 2 strands here. Can you see it clearly? We have the strand on the outside and one is in the inside. So the one from the inside, we are going to pull this from left to the right halfway. Okay, pull it halfway from left to right. Alright, now we are going to pull the tail. This is the tail. We are going to pull this, pull it tight all the way. Okay, now our ring is secured. Even if you pull it hard like that, it's not going to get loose. Okay, so I am going to join it to show you how it looks. Okay, so this is the ring. No matter how hard you pull it, it's not going to get loose. Okay, I hope it helps, because I know that lots of you are still struggling. Even me in the beginning, I struggled a lot about making a magic ring, but finally I managed to do my own technique of doing it. Okay, thank you for joining me today, guys. I hope you like it, and yeah, have fun crocheting, and see you for my next tutorial.